Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Workday Prism Analytics for automated workforce insights, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Workday Prism Analytics for automated workforce insights, begin by logging into your Workday account. Navigate to the Workday homepage and use the search bar to locate Prism Analytics. Select the appropriate option to enter the Prism Analytics dashboard. Once in the dashboard, find the Data Sources section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add Data Source to initiate the setup process. You will be prompted to select the data you wish to include. Choose the relevant workforce data from the list provided. After selecting your data, click Next to proceed to the configuration settings. In the configuration settings, define the frequency of data refresh by selecting your desired schedule. You may also set up any necessary filters to refine the data based on your workforce needs. Once your configurations are in place, click Save to store your new data source. Next, navigate to the Reports tab in Prism Analytics. Click on Create New Report to begin analyzing your workforce insights. Choose the data source you just created from the drop-down menu. Design your report by dragging and dropping the desired metrics into your report layout. After designing the report, click on Preview to review your work. If everything looks correct, click Save and give your report a meaningful name. Now, return to the dashboard to view your activated reports. To automate insights, go to the Automation section of the dashboard. Set up notifications and delivery options to receive regular updates on workforce analytics. Integrate any external tools you may be using for enhanced functionality if desired. Finalize your setup by reviewing all configurations and ensuring everything aligns with your analytics goals. Your automated workforce insights are now activated in Workday Prism Analytics. Monitor your reports regularly to ensure they are providing the insights you need. Continue to refine your data sources and reports as necessary to adapt to your organization's evolving needs. This completes the activation process for Workday Prism Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.